Hello, so today, today we are gonna do the projects solder ice. So we should take two ice cubes and press them together for several seconds. What happens? When you press two ice cubes together, they stick to each other and become single well, a single piece of ice. Can you separate them? Yes. Immediately after pressing, they are fused together and cannot be easily pull apart without breaking. But it is easily we can and remove them. What happens if we press harder? Pressing harder will increase the pressure at the contact point. This causes the ice to melt faster in a thin layer of water. When the pressure is released, this water freezing more quickly and creates a stronger bond between the cubes. What what if you press it less hard? With less pressure, only a very small amount of ice may melt, or it may take much longer for the cubes to fuse. Thus, this result bond will be weaker. Thank you.